guys, welcome to another video. This week I'm going to be doing some painting on an item I found at the thrift store. So it's this small vase. I'm going to clean that off with a disinfectant wipe first and just dry it with a paper towel. And then I'm going to use my acrylic gesso so that I can get a nice fresh white base coat before I go to put on the paint. And this should help so that I don't have to put on as many coats of the actual paint color when I'm at that stage. And this took about 4 coats to get it to this. I think it looks pretty good. Now it's time to add some color. So I'm just going to use a bunch of my white acrylic paint so that I can lighten up these other colors here. And I'm going for a nice light teal color. And I just want to get a nice even coat of this color on the entire piece. With the paint dry, I'm going to take out my gel super glue and my sequins. And I just want to use these to add some detail. I thought it'd be cool to use them as scales to make this look like a mermaid tail. So just finishing up the last side around the bottom edge here. And then I just want to use some of my blue paint to define a tail fin at the top here. Just touching up some rough edges. Going back in with the blue to refine some of those edges again, since I went over them with the light teal and messed them up again. Last thing I want to do is just scatter a couple more sequins. Touch up one last edge, and that's it for this project. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you next week.